just south of my location. Hail size is increasing. I can barely see it. They're punching through this hail core. I'm at exit 36A right now. You should get visual any second. I don't know if you can hear the hail hitting the windshield out here, but we definitely got spray. We got mesomests on the north side of this thing. Here we go. We're about to punch through. The rain is lightning. I can see through now a little bit. 1 sec here. Could be any second.
Text on radar
looks like it's right over I-44.
Reads on 44. The middle of the tornado vortex on radar at 3,000 feet is almost over Reed's head here. So we'll see what he sees when he pops out of this, because he's going to pop out of the rain and hail. And we're showing the tornado vortex at 3,000 feet on the velocity from Newcastle, from our south Doppler, right over 44 right now. So let's go over to the south Dop, take a look at the middle of the spin. The middle of the spin here is just right over 44, 3.5 miles due south of downtown Lawton. Big hail. We're getting a lot of quarter-size, some golf ball-size hail reports from Lawton. A lot of reports coming in, but so far the reports that we've had have been golf ball. Computers showing 3 to 3.5 inch diameter hail, bigger than a baseball. Let's go back to Reed Timmer here. Tornado warning for Comanche County continues. Reed?
Hey, Mike, I'm still trying to punch through this hail core here. It looks like the circulation may be just east of I-44, but it's probably right over 44 right now. We're about to punch through the hail core here again. I can barely see. It looks like a hurricane here on I-44 just south of Lawton. And we do have westerly winds here now at exit 37. So I'm guessing that the circulation is likely just east of I-44. Now I'm getting southwesterly winds. So it's likely due east of that position here on I-44. And these winds are ramping up. They're flowing into that circulation right now. I don't have visual of a tornado on the ground, but we are in the hook of the supercell. We're going to head east here shortly. Now we're getting some big hail here, Mike. Big southwesterly winds, RP.
Okay, Reed's right there on the back side of the rotation. This is a tornado warning ongoing for Comanche County. The big hail here is on the south side of Lawton. Let's go to the storm tracker here and look at the storm tracker. The center of the spin now is just east of 44, northeast of Geronimo by about 2.5 to 3 miles. And it's red line, center line over into Marlow and even Duncan. Duncan's in the cone of danger here. So we're talking about north side of Geronimo, southeast Lawton right now, and then Oil City by 6:49. Duncan by 7:01, Marlow 7:06. And the rotation now is about a mile east of 44. Let's go to the south Doppler. It's the only tornado warning in the state right now. But the tornado circulation here now about 1.5 miles east of 44, a little way south of 7 by about 3 miles south of 7, 3 south of 7, and this would be about 4 miles, 3.5 to 4 miles northeast of Geronimo. That's where the center of the spin is right now. Ongoing tornado warning. Let's go to Jeremy Carter here, and let's talk to Jeremy. Definitely east of 44 now is the middle of the spin. Jeremy, can you show me that mesocyclone there on your stream? Tell us where you are right now. Okay, so northern Woods County, northern Oklahoma, golf ball size hail possible there. That's going to be up for you folks in the Alva area. Jeremy Carter, if you're with us. If not, let's go back to Reed Timmer here. Reed?
Hey, Mike, I'm at mile marker, exit 33, good enough right now, and I can't see anything out here. We've got winds probably gusting 60, 70 miles an hour out of the west here toward that circulation just east of Highway 44. And it is really ripping into it. There's big-time inflow flowing into this circulation. I can't see if there's a tornado on the ground yet. In fact, I can barely see 5 feet in front of the vehicle. But I am about to head east and punch through the hook of this supercell and finally try to get visual of this walk off. But there's a lot of rain with this thing, Mike, and a lot of hail. Back to you.
Okay, let's go over to Max 3 here. So we have one tornado warning. This is going to be southeast side of Lawton, heading into Stevens County. Folks, Marlow, Duncan, stay alert, Oil Center. Now, further northbound, we've got some hailers up here in Caddo County. Good size hail up here. Let's go ahead and head on up north. And this is going to be up here in the Hinton area, Red Rock Canyon. Also, we have one northwest side of Anadarko. These have golf balls with them, some cases bigger than golf ball. Here's Canadian County. Here's Oklahoma County here, Grady County here. So this is central Oklahoma. The green means we're under a tornado watch until 9 o'clock. Hail size there, golf ball maybe a little bit littler, and then this one's golf ball maybe a little bit bigger west of Anadarko, but no tornado warnings with those, just severe thunderstorm warnings. You see the motion there during the past 30 minutes as they come into the far west metro. That's what we have with those storms right now. Let's go further northbound. We've got other storms not too far from Fairview. Let's go to Fairview here. So that storm just passed the west side of Fairview. It is severe, and it's going to be a little ways southwest of Helena, Goltry, Jet, and Nash. So it's going up into southeastern Woods County and Alfalfa County. That again is a hailer there as well. Let's go further north. Golf ball or larger size storms here, and this is going to be on the northwest sides of Alva. So that storm also is severe. Let's go back to the storm tracker. Let's go back to the storm tracker and take a look at this storm here. Tornado warning continues. Let's go back to Jeremy Carter here live. He's on that storm with Reed. Jeremy?
Severe for Blaine and Canadian coming out for quarters.
So strong rotation continues now. Again, it is to the southeast of Lawton and to the west of Marlow and Duncan. It doesn't appear to be tight enough for a tornado right now, but let's go to Reed's stream and let's talk to Reed here about this. It is definitely quite a ways east now of 44. Reed, what do you have?
Yeah, Mike, I'm still getting big-time northerlies just west of this circulation. There's the tree branches flying through the air with a 60-mile-an-hour wind to the backside, but I'm still in the hook. You can barely see. But big-time wind, horizontal hail. I'm just trying to get east of this circulation, but it's a lot of power with this storm, a lot of wind on the backside of it. Back to you, Mike. I'll be there
Near
soon.
Alva?
A few more minutes.
Okay. All right, Reed, appreciate that. Let's go to the quad box here. Let's talk to Corey Inman, and we're going to go on up here to the north, and we're going to go up to Alva in Woods County. So we have several supercells here that we're tracking for you. One tornado warning, quite a few severe thunderstorm warnings. Let's go to Corey Inman now. He's up in Woods County. Corey?
Yeah, Mike, I'm 2 miles north of Highway 11 and 3 miles to the west of Alva, looking back to the west about a mile. Starting to get a lot of rapid rotation in this blowing here that's developed in the last 5 or 10 minutes. We had what appeared to be a funnel about 5 minutes ago, but it quickly dissipated. We're sitting here watching it. It continues to pull a lot of scud in and a lot of rising motion here at the base of this wall cloud. We're going to sit here and watch it as it tracks off to the east towards Alva. Back to you.
Okay, Corey, appreciate that. Tightening rotation there. Earlier, a little funnel cloud northwest of Alva. That's for you folks in far northern Oklahoma. That's an update for Woods County right now, okay? So not a tornado warning, but rotation there getting a little bit stronger. So we're tracking that. We've got storm trackers up near the Kansas border. Corey's up in Alva right now looking at that storm very carefully. Let's go back to the storm tracker. So we still have one tornado warning. So we're going to focus most heavily on the tornado threat and the huge hail. Showed 3 to 3.5 inch diameter hail here. And this is definitely now the big hail's in the south side of Lawton right now, the biggest hail. And the rotation here is east of 44 and to the west of Hewlin, and it is heading on over toward Duncan by 706, red line, center line, cone of danger here, Duncan, Marlow area. So Stevens County, that is a heads up for you. So let's go back to Reed Timmer and let's talk about this. Reed, again, so you're probably now heading eastbound. Tell us what you see.
Mike, I'm getting crazy wraparound on the backside of this circulation. Just a little bit east of I-44. Winds are gusting big time. I cannot see anything. Got strong northeasterly winds out here. The backside of this circulation. Still can't see the wall cloud. I can smell broken tree branches, probably from the hail flying through the air. But I still cannot confirm if there's a tornado on the ground. Basically, the roads are impassable out here. I can barely even drive. There's big time winds in the backside of this mesocyclone. Back to you, Mike.
Okay, Reed, appreciate that. So let's go to the storm tracker. Where is this? This is down here southeast of Lawton. The big hail is in South Lawton right now, still showing 3 inch diameter hail. So very, very large hail there. Chopper 4 is also arriving on the scene, by the way. So we'll be checking with John Welsh here momentarily on this storm down in Comanche County. It's heading over toward Marlow and Duncan here a bit later on. Duncan by 706, Marlow at 711. Let's go to Max 3. We're going to show you other storms in the state which are severe. We're going to start you off here. Let's broaden this view out. And this is Caddo County here, so severe thunderstorm warnings for large hail and damaging winds. No tornado warnings right now. Caddo County up into Canadian County. So the western half of Canadian County, especially west of El Reno quite a ways, and to the west and southwest of Okarche, showing some nickels, quarters, and some golf balls here. Further to the north, up in Alfalfa County, other storms are further up in northern Oklahoma. They are also severe. Helena, Goltry, Jet, and Nash, Carmen area, south of Cherokee. And here's the storm that Corey was on with some tightening rotation, but no tornado warning right now on the northwest side of Alva, but showing bigger than golf ball size hail there. Let's go back to the storm